Good morning, my dear students. As the wish and will of some students that they want to be learn the dihybrid cross. So today we will go for learning the dihybrid cross of the chapter inheritance. So here, first of all, we must know what do you mean by the hybrid. So hybrid is nothing but an individual organism is obtained by crossing two parents. An individual organism is obtained by crossing two parent is called as a dihybrid. And that cross which consists with the two characteristic feature is called as a dihybrid cross. Means an individual organism is obtained by crossing with respect of two characteristic features is called as dihybrid cross, and that process is called as dihybridization, right? So here Mendel has been selected the appearance that is considered to be as a phenotype also. Here appearance are round seed. Round seed is one character and yellow color cotyledon is the second character. So we consider it as a dihybrid. Two characters were there. One character is round seed and yellow color cotyledon. It is of a homozygous condition. And wrinkled seed with green color cotyledon is a heterozygous condition of that. Right? And genotype of that is round seed is capital R, yellow color cotyledon is capital Y. Like the same, wrinkled seed genotype is small r, and green color cotyledon is small y. Right? Where the gametes of this parent, this is the parent, and its gametes are capital R, small y. Because gametes are a single variable. N number. They are haploid in a set instead of a diploid. Diploid are in parent and haploid are in gamete. So capital R ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದೇ capital R ಬರುತ್ತೆ gamete ದಲ್ಲಿ. Capital Y ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ capital Y ಬರುತ್ತೆ gamete ದಲ್ಲಿ. Right? Like the same small r and small y. And when these two are crossed together, means one pollen grain and one egg, or one egg and one pollen grain, when they have been united, zygote forms, the seed forms. When seed sown, the such plants is grown. That is capital R, small r, and capital Y, small y type. So this process is going to be formed. That is the F1, first filial generation. It is called as the first filial generation. F1 has been formed. The same capital R, small r, and capital Y, small y is selfed. Selfing means the same is going to be crossed. Same. This is of same here. This is of same here. That is capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y is crossed with capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Right? That is said to be as selfing. And their genotype, here many students were going to become confused about the genotype. So this capital R is crossed with capital Y. One gamete, capital R, capital Y. Then capital R is going to be taken with the small y. Now R get become over. Now small r with capital Y, small r, capital Y, small r with small y. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 gametes will form. In a dihybrid 4 plus 4 because the another factor. That is the one. And these are the gametes and has been put under the checker board. Also said to be as a Punnett square, or we can call it as a Punnett square. Reginald Punnett is a scientist who has been discovered it. And there one is taken as a male and the other is taken as a female. You can take anyone because both are same gamete containing only, because we have been selfed. And one here selfing is made from F1 And in F1, all are round seed with yellow color cotyledon in heterozygous condition. This point to be remembered. In the F1 generation, the organism obtained are round seed coat with yellow color cotyledon in heterozygous condition. That must be understood. Right? Round seed with yellow color cotyledon is the main theme of it. Right? Where their gametes has been formed and their gametes has been kept under the checkerboard. In the checkerboard, one is taken as a male and another is taken as a female. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. The gametes has been shown here and one row has been shown here. This can be taken as a male and this can be taken as a female. Now we can go for cross them. Capital R, small y, sorry, capital Y, capital R, capital Y. It is of a homozygous round and homozygous yellow color cotyledon. Complete homozygous condition. Round seed with yellow color cotyledon. One is there, right? Then this cross with this. Capital R, capital R, capital R, small y. Round seed homozygous, yellow color cotyledon, heterozygous. Then third one, small, capital R, small r, capital Y, small, capital Y. That is round seed, heterozygous, yellow color cotyledon, homozygous. Right? Like that, the checkerboard you can see capital R, right? Capital R and small r, capital Y and small y. That is the one. Like the same, you are going to be crossing them all their organism. Right? They have been come, everybody knows it. Now the ratio is, phenotype ratio will be 9:3:3:3:1. Phenotypic ratio will be 9:3:3:1. And genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:4:1:1:2:1:1. So kindly go through with your textbook. In textbook they had been given you the colored one. So you can understand very easily. What is this one? One is pure homozygous round and yellow color cotyledon. One I have been made here, right? One plant of pure round and pure yellow color cotyledon. This is over now. Yes. Then the second one is, this here, right side corner. We will go for the right side corner. What is that? Capital R, small r means round color heterozygous condition, but yellow color cotyledon is homozygous condition. That is the one. And here it is not there. Here this one. So 2. Understand? This is over now. Right? This is over now. Right now? Then the third one. Homozygous round with heterozygous yellow color cotyledon. This is the one. Left side corner. Here it comes. No. This comes homozygous round yellow color cotyledon. Yes, this the second. This is the 2. This is over. Right now. Now 4. What are those 4? All are heterozygous condition. Means round and yellow color cotyledon should be heterozygous. Is this the one? At the center I had been 1, 2, then the 3, then 4. Can you go for cancel them? 1, 2, and is this comes here heterozygous 3, and this is 4. 4 have come. Round with the yellow color in heterozygous condition. Is this clear? Now 1, what is 1 remains over here? That we had written at the center. This is the one. Wrinkled with yellow color cotyledon is the one. That is the one. Can we cancel this now? Yes. Remains 2 now. What is that 2? One round I had been made. Yes. This is the one. Round with green color cotyledon. This one, this 2. Is this clear? Now remaining 1. What is that 1 remaining is here? Capital round with the green color cotyledon. Is this? Goes 1. Only 1 is there here. Only 1. Right? That 1 is over. Now 2 remains. 2 remains. This is the 2. What is this? Wrinkled with the yellow color cotyledon. 1 and 2. Wrinkled with yellow color cotyledon. And only 1 remains. That is this. So you have to go through with this. This will be very essential for a NEET level. So for schematic representation, writing for this you will get the 3 marks, and explaining. Mendel has selected a round seed and yellow color cotyledon and crossed with the wrinkled seed and green color cotyledon. Then he have been got the gametes and got the round seed with yellow color cotyledon in F1 generation. And he self F1 generation in that the gametes have come. For writing these 4 sentences, 2 marks. And for writing this entire condition, it is of 3 marks. This is of dihybrid cross. It is not dihybrid test cross. It is not dihybrid test cross. It is a dihybrid cross. Okay. I hope you have been understand. We will go for that another on